Right, we've decided it's time to harvest these homegrown marrows. This is the smaller of the two. I'll just show you close up how that's looking. It's a nice looking marrow, that. But hang on, we've got a better one to show you. It's the one that I think will be the biggest marrow that I've grown. So let's go away and have a look at that. Right, so this is the one that I think is by far the largest marrow I've ever grown, and it is a trailing marrow. So let's get it harvested and we'll take it inside and have a look at how much it weighs. So we've got the scales ready that we used last year, and I think it was 3.8 kilograms. Let's see how we do this time. I'll just stabilise it a little bit. There we go. 7.1. That's absolutely smashed it. So mashallah, this is the best ever marrow I've grown. It's a bit of fun, isn't it?